seat. Thanks, everyone.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Animal English Podcast, where learning English feels calm, simple, and fun. I'm Lily.
And I'm Oliver. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here today. I don't know why, but I woke up with so much energy. I feel bright and ready.
I can see that, Oliver. You look very fresh today. Your eyes are shining. Did something special happen?
Not really. I just slept well and I feel good. Sometimes small things make a big difference.
That is already a healthy habit. Good sleep. I like this energy. Today feels like a perfect day to talk about something important.
Before we start, dear listeners, we have a tiny favor to ask.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please like this episode right now.
And subscribe to Animal English Podcast so you don't miss our next conversations.
And share this with one friend who wants to improve their English while relaxing.
Sharing English is a healthy habit too.
That's true. Now, Oliver, since you said you feel energetic today, I thought we should talk about healthy habits.
Healthy habits? I like that topic. But please don't say run 10 kilometers every morning.
No, we're not training for the jungle marathon.
Good, because I am not ready for that.
Healthy habits are not about extreme things. They're about small, daily choices.
Small choices? Like what?
Let's start with the morning. What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
Honestly, I open my eyes and then I check my phone.
Ah, the famous phone check.
Yes, messages, news, maybe social media. Just 5 minutes.
Is it really 5 minutes?
Maybe 15.
That's what I thought. Here is a small, healthy upgrade. Before your phone, drink water.
Water? Before coffee?
Yes. After sleep, your body is dry. A big glass of water wakes up your system gently.
I usually go straight to coffee.
Coffee is fine, but water first is like saying, "Good morning, body."
That sounds nice. Warm or cold?
Warm is calming. Cold is refreshing. You can even add lemon.
Okay. Water first, then coffee. That feels possible.
Now, tell me honestly, what do you eat for breakfast?
Sometimes nothing.
Nothing?
Or maybe a cookie or a sweet bun?
Matt explains why you feel tired at 10 a.m.
Yes, I crash very fast.
Sugar gives fast energy, but it disappears quickly. Your body needs real fuel.
What is real fuel?
Eggs, fruit, yogurt, nuts, oats, something with power.
Like a superhero breakfast.
Exactly. You cannot host a podcast on cookie power alone.
I like bananas and eggs.
Perfect. That is simple and strong. Okay, food is clear, but what about exercise? I don't like the gym.
You don't need the gym. Just move more. Move how?
Take the stairs instead of the elevator.
My office is on the 3rd floor.
That's perfect. 3 floors is good for your heart.
It sounds tiring.
It takes less than 2 minutes.
2 minutes is not scary.
Small steps lead to big change.
I like that sentence.
You sit a lot during the day, right?
Yes. Computer.
Set a timer. Every hour, stand up.
For how long?
1 minute. Stretch, move your neck, roll your shoulders.
That's easy.
And look away from the screen. Your eyes need rest.
My neck hurts sometimes.
That is your body asking for movement.
Okay, what about lunch? I usually grab a sandwich and soda.
Soda again?
Yes, I like bubbles.
Try sparkling water instead.
It still has bubbles.
Yes, but less sugar.
And the sandwich?
Add vegetables. Make your plate colorful.
Like a rainbow plate?
Exactly.
I always get hungry in the afternoon.
That's normal. Choose smart snacks.
Like chocolate?
Maybe sometimes, but better nuts or fruit.
I love almonds.
Almonds are excellent. They help your brain.
My brain, thank you.
Now let's talk about the evening.
This is where I fail.
What do you do?
TV and phone scrolling before bed.
How long?
Maybe 1 hour.
The light from your phone tells your brain it's daytime.
So my brain doesn't relax?
Exactly.
What should I do instead?
Read a book, listen to calm music, talk with someone.
I have a book I never open.
Tonight is your moment. You said something earlier about being thankful.
Yes?
Every night, think of 3 good things.
Small things count?
Of course.
Like good coffee?
Yes,
Or recording this podcast?
definitely.
That makes me feel warm inside.
Gratitude is healthy for your heart.
Okay, let me see if I remember everything.
I'm listening.
Water before coffee.
Correct?
Superhero breakfast.
Yes,
Take the stairs.
exactly.
Stand up every hour.
Perfect.
Rainbow plate lunch.
Good.
Smart snacks.
Yes,
No phone before bed.
right.
And think of 3 thankful things.
You remembered everything.
I feel healthier already.
Remember, we are not perfect.
Sometimes I will still eat cookies.
That's okay, just not every day.
Maybe 80% healthy, 20% fun?
That sounds balanced.
Healthy habits help us learn English too.
Yes, when your body feels good, your brain learns better.
Dear listeners, tell us one healthy habit you already have.
Or one small habit you want to start this week.
Write in English in the comments.
Practice and health together.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Take care of your body
Take care of your mind.
and keep learning English step by step.